Spanish Town Police surprised their former champions Arnett Gardens, while Racing United kept the pressure on leaders Montego Bay United with a win over Chapelton Maroons in Monday night action from the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League.
Head coach of Spanish Town Police, Thompson, says his team is heading in the right direction following their surprise 2-1 win over host Arnett Gardens in the second game of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Carlington Blackwood gave Spanish Town Police the lead in the 28th minute, which was just their 15th goal of the season. Arnett's talisman Fabian Reed then equalized in the 78th minute as the Junglists came roaring back. However, Jaheim McGregor found the winner for Spanish Town Police in the 87th minute. Despite the win, Spanish Town Police remain at the foot of the table on 18 points.
You have to create a level of belief. We see where they have talent, and it was lack of intensity, and we create a balance where we want to train the energy system and also allow them the freedom to be themselves. And I think just allowing that with the talent that they have, we are reaping some level of success. We want to be consistent, and I think we are doing that just fine.
Arnett remains 7th on 30 points, and their coach Philip Williams has once again lamented their missed opportunities.
We started the game a little flat. Police really played a good first half. We made some changes in the second half, and I think we took over, created enough chances to have gotten something out of the game, all 3 points if you ask me. But once again, we're not clinical in front of goal, and that's something that has been plaguing us all season.
Meanwhile, in the early game at the same venue, Racing United moved to within 5 points of leaders Montego Bay United with a 2-0 win over 6th place Chapelton Maroons. Javon Cole in the 29th minute and Cadian Young in the 70th were the goal scorers for Racing United. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sport.